Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making sure the device is ready. Charge it or plug in, because changing display settings can require restarts. Once done, open the Settings app and use the search bar to find Always on Display or AOD. This saves time versus navigating menus. You do this because some manufacturers hide AOD under lock screen or display. Locating the correct page first prevents accidental changes. Now tap that AOD entry to reveal wallpaper and content controls, and be ready for the next step. You'll now change the wallpaper setting itself. First, find wallpaper or content inside the AOD controls. Manufacturers label this differently, so read each option. Then either toggle wallpaper off or pick none. Doing so removes the persistent image and reduces burn-in risk. If the menu lacks none, choose a plain black or low contrast image. This has the same effect. Make sure to apply or save, otherwise the old wallpaper persists. Once saved, confirm the change by locking the phone briefly. You finish by verifying the result. Lock the screen and check that the Always on Display shows no wallpaper or the plain image you chose. If the old wallpaper remains, restart the device. This forces settings to reload. Make sure to clear the Settings app cache or check for a firmware update if restarting fails. Manufacturers occasionally fix AOD bugs. If none of that works, revert to safe mode to rule out third-party apps. That single troubleshooting tip usually resolves persistent AOD.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.